Compared to 5625, it is more or less? More. Obviously 77 or 73? 77. Next 4356. 66 or not? What is the 65 square? 4225 or not? Compared to 4225, it is more value or not? Then obviously it is 64 or 66? 66. 77 minus 66. How much? 11. That 11 is subtracted from which one? 759. Difference is how much? 748 or not? Which option? Third one. Question number 45. 3630 divided by how much? 33. 33 one time, 33. Again 33 or not? 1 0 not? It is 110 plus 5320 divided by how much? 40. First of all 0 cancel or not? 4 how many times? 1 time, 3 times, again 8 times or not? Minus 76 or not? Okay. 4 12 40. What is the first one? 110. Second one 4 how many times? 13 times. Again 3 times or not? 133 minus 76 or not? Okay. 110 plus 133 243 or not? Minus how much value? 76. End with 7. Only one option or not? Question number 46. First priority 4 cube or not? 468 is divisible by 6. 468 is divisible by 6. 6 how many times? 7. Remaining 48. 8 times or not? 6 how many times? 6 square? 6. 6 how many times? 144. 36 or not? Sorry, 24. It is 24. 36 how many times? 6. 6 times or not? Okay. What is the 4 cube value? 64. Into how much? 6 or not? 64 into 6. Nothing but 64 into 6 means it is 384 or not? 384 plus 78 plus how much value? 24. 78 plus 24. 102 or not? 102 plus 384. 486. Divide by how much? 6 or not? How many times? 81 time or not? ఇంకొంచెం అగైన్ 6తో డివైడ్ చేయొచ్చు, సేమ్ అదే వస్తుంది. 384 is divisible by 6 or not? 78 also divisible by 6. 24 also divisible by 6. Next question number 47. 135 square minus 95 square or not? Means a square minus b square. What is the a square minus b square? A plus b into a minus b. 135 plus 95. 230 or not? 135 minus 95. 40 or not? 230 into how much? 40. Nothing but 23 into 4 times or not? 23 double 46. 46 double 92. It is 9,200 or not? Plus how much value you are adding? 199 plus 10. It is 209 or not? Total it is 9409 or not? 94 means it is more than 90 square or less than 90 square? More than 90 square. Which option? 97. First option. More than 90 or less than 90? More than 90. Question number 48. 85% of which one? 1700. This one we written 85 into 1700. Okay. 17 8 times how much? 1360. 1360. 17 5s how much? 85. Total it is 1445 or not? 1445. Second one 51% of which one? 4500. Percentage 2 zeros are cancelled or not? Then 45 into 50 times 45 into 1 time or not? 45 into 50 times means it is 2250 plus how much value you are adding? 45. Total it is 2295 or not? 2295. It is added to which one? 356 or not? 356. Add the last two digits of every value. 45 plus 95, 140. 140 plus 56, 196. End with 9600. Okay. What is the 17 cube? End with 96. No. What is the 18 cube? End with 96. No. 16 cube 4096. End with 9600. Then answer third one or not? 16 cube or not? What is the 16 cube? 4096. Next question number 49. 4 by 9 of 54. 9 almost 6 times or not? 4 6 how much? 24. 8 how many times? 7. 3 7 how much? 21. 24 plus 21. 45. 135 minus 45. 90 or not? Question number 50. 5 by 9 of which one? 450. 9 how many times? 50 times or not? 5 into 50. 250 or not? Plus 30% of which one? 270. Percentage 2 zeros are cancel or not? 3 into 27. 81. 250 plus 81. 331 or not? 17 into 30 how much? 510 or not? These two difference will be answer or not? 510 minus 331. End with 9 or not? Only one option. Next question number 51. X square minus 15x plus 54 equal to 0. Product value 54, sum value minus 15 or not? Then initial roots are minus 9, minus 6 or not? Final roots are plus 9, plus 6 or not? Second one, what is the product value? 81. Sum value minus 18. Then we return minus 9, minus 9 or not? Then final roots plus 9, plus 9 or not? Okay. 9 compared to 6 greater. 9 compared to 9 equal. Then answer x greater than or equal to y or not? Sorry. X less than or equal to y, because 9 and 6 are which one values? X values are not. Next 9 and 9 are y values. Then answer x less than or equal to y. Next question number 52. What is the first one? Product 117. Wait. Product positive, sum is negative. Initial roots are negative or not? Initial roots are negative. Final roots are positive or not? Second one, product is positive, sum also positive. Initial roots are positive. Final roots are negatives. Then answer x greater than y or not? Next question number 53. I think reverse or not? First equation, initial roots are positive. Final roots are negatives. Second equation, initial roots are negatives, final roots are positives or not? Then answer x less than y or not? Next question number 54. X square plus 25x plus 126 equal to 0. 126, it is 18 into 7 or not? 18 into 7. One is plus 18, another one plus 7 or not? Next, second one, product value 198, sum value is how much? 31. 198 means it is 11 multiple or not? Again 198 means it is 9 multiple or not? Means it is written as 22 9 times or not? 22 9 times. 22 9 times how much? 198. 22 plus 9, 31 or not? What are the x final roots? Minus 8, minus 7. What are the y final roots? Minus 22, minus 9 or not? Then answer x greater than y or not? minus 18, sorry. Minus 18 minus 22, greater. Minus 18 minus 9, less than or not? First case it is greater than, sorry, greater than or less than? Less than. Minus 18 minus 22, greater. Minus 18 minus 9, less than or not? Opposite symbols, then relation, no relation or not? Next question number 55. What is the product value in first one? 40. Sum is 13. One is plus 8, another one are plus 5 or not? Second one, what is the product value? 104. Sum is 21. One is 8, another one 13 or not? Okay. What are the x final roots? Minus 8, minus 5. Another one, minus 8, minus 13 or not? Okay. Minus 8 compared to minus 8, equal. Minus 8 compared to minus 13, greater. Minus 5 compared to minus 8, greater. Minus 5 minus 13, greater. Then answer x greater than or equal to y or not? 56. Ratio of the income of Ajay and Pawan is 13:8 and the respective ratio of their expenditures is 8:3. Ajay saves how many rupees? 20,000 and Pawan saves 35,000. Find the income of Kiran if income of Kiran is 15% more than the income of Pawan or not. Here we required which one income? Kiran income or not. But Kiran income is depends on which one? Pawan income. If you know the Pawan income compared to Pawan income, Kiran is how much percent or more? 15% more or not? Okay. First. What the Ajay income is how many parts? 13 parts or not? Pawan income 8 parts or not? Out of 13 parts income, Ajay how many rupees are saves? 20,000 or not? Income minus saving. Next, out of 8 parts, Pawan how much value are saving? 35,000 or not? 35,000. Numerator income minus saving, denominator also income minus saving. That is equal to which ratio? 8:3. Expenditure ratio or not? 8/3. Just cross multiplication, we are get the one part value or not? Okay. 3 into 13, 39. 8 into 8, 64. Difference is 25 parts or not? 3 into 20,000, 60,000. 8 into 35,000, 2,80,000 or not? Out 2,80,000 and 60,000. What is the difference? 2,20,000 or not? 2,20,000. That is 25 parts value or only one part value? 25 parts. But we required first of all Pawan income or not? Pawan income how many parts? 8 parts or not? We required how many parts value? 8 parts value. This one we written 8/25 into 2,22,000 or not? Okay. It is which one income? Pawan income. But we required Kiran income compared to Pawan income how much percent or more? 15% more. Means compared to this one 15% more or less? More. Then we are adding the 15% means we return 115% of this value or not? Okay. 115% of this value. 22, 11 multiple or not? 22, 11 multiple. First option is 11 multiple. Yes or no? 8 plus 9, 17. 0 plus 6, 6. 17 and 6 difference. 11 or not? It is 11 multiple or not? Next, second option is 11 multiple. No. Third option. No. Fourth one. No. Fifth one. No. Then answer only first option. 80,960. Next question number 57. Vessel P contains 95 liters of wine and water in the ratio of 12:7 and vessel Q contains 117 liters of wine and water in the ratio of which one? 7:6. If these two mixtures are mixed in another vessel R, find the respective ratio of water and wine or not? Okay. First one total how many parts? 19 parts. 19 parts is how many liters? 95 liters. Every one part 5 liters. 12 parts 60 liters. 7 parts 35 liters. Second one, total how many parts? 13 parts. 13 parts is how many liters? 117. Every one part 9 liters. 7 parts 63. 6 parts 54. Okay. 60 plus 63 123. 35 plus 54 89. What is the question here? Water and wine ratio or wine to water? Water and wine. Wine is how many parts? 123 parts. Water is how many parts? 89 parts. Then answer is 89 is to 123 or not? First one is the wine value. Second one are water value or not? Next 58. Srinath can swim at a speed of 18 km per hour in still water and speed of the stream is 40% of the speed of the Srinath in downstream. If he swims to a certain point and come back in how many hours? 14 hours. Find the total distance covered by the Srinath in downstream and in upstream. Nothing but we require total distance in downstream and upstream. Suppose the downstream distance are d kilometers, upstream distance also d kilometers, but your question is total distance in downstream and upstream. Means we require 2d value or d value? 2d value or not? Find the total distance covered by downstream and upstream. Means we require d value or 2d value? 2d value. Okay. First of all, speed of the stream is 40% of the which one? Speed of the downstream. Speed of the stream means s or not? Speed of the stream are s. 40% means what is the fraction? 2 by 5 or not? Then speed of the stream by downstream speed, that is equal to which one? 2 by 5 or not? Only speed of the stream is how many parts? 2 parts. Downstream speed is how many parts? 5 parts. Means obviously m is how many parts? 3 parts or not? M value 3 parts, S value 2 parts or not? And one more, Srinath speed is given how much? 18. Srinath speed means M value or S value? M value. Means 3 parts is how much? 18. Then 2 parts are how much? 12 or not? Okay. Speed of the Srinath are 18. Speed of the stream are 12. Okay. One case it will be downstream, another case are upstream. What is the downstream distance? D kilometers. What is the downstream speed? 30. What is the upstream speed? 6. What is the upstream distance? D. These two are adding, we are get the total time or not? What is the total time are given? 14 hours or not? Solving this one, we are get the D value, but we required which one? 2D value or D value? 2D value. But calculation wise it is lengthy or not? Okay. We required which one? Total distance. Total distance nothing but total speed by total distance nothing but total speed into total time or not? Total speed means average speed or not? Here equal distances or different distances? Equal distances. What is the average speed of equal distances? 2ab by a plus b or not? What is the a value? 30. B value 6. 2 into a into b by a plus b. What is the a plus b value? 36. It is average speed or not? Into total time is how many hours? 14 hours. That is equal to total distance or remaining distance? Total distance. 6 how many times? 36. 6 times. 6 again 5 times or not? 2 5s are 10 into 14. How much? 140 or not? Next question number 59. Present age of Dhoni is 3 times the present age of which one? Pant. 5 years hence Dhoni age will be 5 by 2 times of the age of which one? Pant. After 10 years from now, Dhoni age will be how many times of the Pant? Okay. First, Dhoni present value is 3 times of which one? Pant present value or not? Okay, 3 times or only 1 time? 3 times. Suppose Pant present value we are consider 3 parts, then Dhoni present value is how many parts? 9 parts or not? Okay. After 5 years, Dhoni will be 5 by 2 times of which one? Pant value or not? Means Dhoni is how many parts? 5 parts. Pant is how many parts? 2 parts or not? Okay. 5 by 2 times or only 1 time? 5 by 2 times. Suppose Pant value we are consider 4 parts, then Dhoni value is how many parts? 10 parts or not? In place of 5:2, we written how much? 10:4 or not? In place of 5:2, we written how much? 10:4. At present, Dhoni is how many parts? Present 9 parts. After 5 years, 10 parts. How many parts are increased? 1 part. How many years are increased? 5 years or not? And what is the question here? After 10 years from now, Dhoni age will be how many times of which one? Pant value or not? Okay. 1 part 5 years means then 10 years nothing but how many parts? 2 parts or not? What is the 1 part value? 5 years. Then 2 parts value? 10 years or not? Then each one how many parts we are adding? After 10 years means each one how many parts we are adding? 2 parts or only 1 part? 2 parts. 10 plus 2, 12 parts. 4 plus 2, 6 parts or not? 10:4 ratio. 10 is added to 2 parts. We are getting after 10 years or only 1 year? After, sorry, wait. After 10 more years annada, after 10 years from now annada. After 10 years from now. Nothing but already 5 years complete. Next one, again 5 years or not? Means we are adding each one 5 years or 4 years? 5 years. What is the 1 part value? 5 years. Next 5 years also how many parts we are adding? 1 part. 10 plus 1, 11 parts. 4 plus 1, 5 parts or not? After 5 more years, Dhoni value is how many parts? 11 parts. Pant value 5 parts. 11 is how many times of 5? 2.2 times or not? 11 is how many times of 5? Then we return 11 by 5 or not? 11 by 5 means it is how much? 2.2 times. It is not 10 more years. After 10 years from now, means from present to how many years? 10 years or not? 9 plus 2, 11 parts. 3 plus 2, 5 parts or not? From present or after 5 years? From present. Next question number 60. The average of 50 observations was calculated as how much? 30. It was found that 58 and 67 were misread as 85 and 76 respectively. What is the correct average or not? What is the actual average? 30 or not? Out of the 50 observations, 2 observations are misread or not? What are the actual values? 58 and 67. But here misread are 85 and 76. Compared to 85, 58 how much value are lesser? 17 or 18? 17. Then we return minus 17 or plus 17? Minus 17. Second one 67 and 76. What is the difference? 9. Minus 9 or plus 9? Minus 58, 20, 85. 67 and 76. 58 and 85. Difference is 27. Minus 27 or not? 76 and 67. Minus 9 or plus 9? Minus 9. Overall it is minus 36 or plus 36? Minus 36. That 36 is sum is reduced or increased? Reduced. What is the original sum? Sorry. What is the original average? 30. How much sum are decreased? 36. That 36 is distributed all the 50% or only 1%? All the 50%. Then we return 36 by 50 or 36 into 50? 36 by 50. 36 by 50 means we return 72 by 100 or not? 72 by 100. 72 by 100 means it is 0.72. Then answer 30 minus 0.72 or not? What is the answer? 29.28. First one, how much value are less more entered? 27. Second one, 9 more entered. Overall, how much value are more entered? 36. That 36 is subtracted. 36 is distributed for all the persons or only one person? All the person. Next question number 61. Two cards are drawn at random from a pack of 52 cards. What is the probability that both the cards are queen or not? Total how many cards? 52 cards. In that how many cards are picked? 2 cards. Then we return 52C2 or not? Those 2 cards are which one? Queen. Total how many queens are there? 4 queens. Then we return 4C2 or only C2? 4C2. How many queens are there? 4 queens. Every set 1 queen. Total how many sets? 4 sets. Then we are getting 4 queens or not? 4C2 by 52C2. This one we return 4 into 3 by 52 into 51 or not? 3 how many times? 17. 4 how many times? 13 or not? 1 by 13 into 17. Nothing but 1 by 221 or not? Next question number 62. A certain amount was divided between A, B, C, D in the ratio of the share of A and B is how much? 2:3. And the share of B and C also 2:3. And what the share of C and D is 1:2 or not? How many ratios are given? 3 ratios. Converted to how many terms? 4 terms or not? Conversion of ratio or not? What is the first term? 2 into 2 into 1 or not? What is the first term? 4. Second term? 3 into 2 into 1. How much? 6. Third term? 3 into 3 into 1. 3 3 is 9. Into 1 means 9 or not? What is the fourth one? 3 3 is 9. 9 2 is 18 or not? What is the ratio? 4:6:9:18. First one is how many parts? 4 parts. Second one 6 parts. Third one is 9 parts. And fourth one 18 parts or not? Difference between A and C is given how much? 250. Only A is how many parts? 4 parts. C is 9 parts. Difference 5 parts. What is the 5 parts value? 250 or not? We require D share. How many parts we need? 18 parts or not? 5 how many times? 5 times. Then answer 900 or not? Just conversion of ratios or not? Next question number 63. A cylinder vessel with an internal diameter of 10 centimeters and a height of 10.5 centimeters is full of water. A solid cone with a base diameter of 7 centimeters and height of 6 centimeters is completely immersed in water. Find the volume of a water displaced out of the cylinder. Find the volume of a water displaced out of the cylinder. Nothing but we need to identify the volume of a which one? Cone or not? Left out water or displaced water? Displaced water or not? Nothing but that is the quantity of which one? Only cone volume or cylinder volume? Cone volume. What is the volume of a cone? 1/3 pi r square h or not? Pi means which one multiple? 11 multiple. How many options? 2 options or not? Okay. 1/3 into what is the pi value? 22/7 into what is the diameter of a cone is given? 7. Diameter 7 means radius 7/2 or not? Or 3.5. Then r value 7/2. R square means 7/2 into 7/2. Height value is how much? 6 or not? Then numerator 7, denominator 7 cancel. 3 into 2, 6 get cancel or not? 2 almost how many times? 11 times or not? What is the answer? 77. Displaced water means we required which one? Cone volume. Suppose we required left out water means remaining water or not? Remaining water means in that case we return total cylinder volume minus cone volume. Okay, but here question are only displaced water or not. Okay, next question number 64. The market price of an article is 60% more than the which one? Cost price. If the article is sold for how many rupees? 300. After giving 20 rupees discount, find the profit person or loss person? Profit person. Market price is 60% more than the which one? Cost price. Suppose cost price we are consider 5 parts. Cost price are 5 parts. Then market price are 8 parts or not? Market price is how much? 8 parts. What the selling price value are given? 300 or not? Selling price is given how many rupees? 300. But that 300 is after giving 20 rupees discount or not? Without discount it is 300. Including discount 320 or not? Including discount means market price or selling price? Market price. Then market price 8 parts equal to how many rupees? 320 or not? After discount it is 300. Including discount 320. That 320 is represents how many parts? 8 parts. 8 parts are 320. Then 5 parts are 200 or not? Clear? Cost price is how much? 200. Selling price is 300. What is the profit value? 100 upon 200 multiplied by 100. What is the profit percent? 50% or not? Next question number 65. A group of men decided to do a piece of a job in how many days? 10 days. But since 10 men dropped out every day, the job got completed at the end of the 15th day. How many men were there at the beginning or not? Okay. Actually work is completed in how many days? 10 days or not? Suppose X men can complete the whole work in 10 days or not? X men can complete the whole work in how many days? 10 days. X nothing but number of persons or not? 10 nothing but number of days. These two are multiplied, we are get the total work or not? These two are multiplied, we are get the total work. But since 10 men dropped out every day or not? Every day how many persons are left? 10 persons or not? Means first day how many persons are working? X persons. Next day X minus 10. Next day X minus 20. So on up to 15 days or not? On 15th day how many persons are working? X minus 140 or not? Okay. On first day how many persons are working? X persons or not? And 15th day how many persons are working? X minus 140 or not? Okay. First to 15th, every case difference is how much? 10 or not? X minus 10, X minus 20, X minus 30, so on, X minus 140. All the cases difference will be how much? 10 or not? Total how many observations? 15 observations or not? 1 to 15 means how many observations? 15 observations. What is the average of 15 observations? Middle number or not? Middle number or not? Or first term plus last term by 2 or not? What is the first term? X. Last term X minus 140. Then average value both are adding by 2 or subtracting by 2? Adding by 2. X plus X minus 140 by 2 or not? It is equal to how much? X minus 70 or not? X minus 70 is the average number of days of 15 days or only 1 day? 15 days or not? Means average value X minus 70 or only X? X minus 70. But days are how much? 15 days or not? Average into number of days, we are get the work value or time value? Work value. The same work it is also equal to which one? X into 10 or X plus 10? X into 10. X minus 70 is the average number of persons or not? 15 means number of days. Number of days into average persons, we are get the work value or not? The same work it is also equal to which one? X into 10 or only X? X into 10. 5 how many times 15? 3 times. 5 how many times 10? 2 times. This one we written 3x minus 2x. It is equal to how much? 210 or not? What the x value? 210 or not? Means what the initial number of men are working? 210 or not?